Good morning children, welcome to class 5 computer, continuing with the bridge course. Today's topic is types of computer children. Okay, so one thing is based on the operation principle and another one is size and capacity. So we know that computer is one of the greatest invention in the recent history, that computer is being used everywhere children. See, you would have observed satellites being launched, okay, spacecraft, rockets, these and all. So, mainly it involves the computer, how you design that, okay. So, we know the computer operates on the principle of input, process, output. You give some input and the CPU will process it and it will show you the result. That is your output children. So, IPO cycle we tell, or input, process, output, cycle. Okay. So here in today's class we are going to see about the types of computer based on operational principle. Okay. So operational principle, you have analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. So one by one we will see, and another one is size and capacity. Okay, how much size it is, how much it can hold memory or storage. So supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, microcomputers. Okay, supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, microcomputers. So in today's class only going to see about the operational principle types of computers children. The first one is analog computers. So these computers help in measuring the variation in temperature. Okay, see, suddenly the morning it will be cold and by afternoon it will be very hot. So the change in temperature or voltage. So there may be a change in voltage in the circuits. Okay, whatever power is coming to our house, like that, voltage, current. So in those places, the physical quantities children, like temperature, voltage, current, like that, to measure that we use the analog computers. Okay, so I will just show you the picture over here. Analog computers. So it is used in scientific research centers and hospitals children. Okay, so your pressure or pulse they will be finding out, no children, they are all analog, this one. Okay, so here they have shown over here a analog computer over here. Okay, then next one is your digital computer. So digital computers use the binary digits of zeros and ones. So huge amount of work can be stored and you can handle the work also children. So those are done in the digital computers. Okay, so they are also used in designing, research and data processing fields. Data processing fields means, so think about children, see nowadays this vaccination drive, nearly for crores of people they have put vaccination. So for the crores of people name and their details have to be stored, you know. So those things and all being done in the digital format children. Okay. So first one we saw is analog computers, another one is digital computers. Okay. The next one is your hybrid computers. Hybrid computers means combination, okay, combining together analog and digital computers, both together children. So analog means, as I told you, so imagine children, just it's a pulse over here. Okay, the pulse, the beats, number of pulses they count, that is analog. But when you see it in display, that pulse meter and all, you are seeing no 100 or 120, 135 like that pulses. So that is digital children. So both combined. And sometimes when you go to hospital, the pressure also children. Okay, they will keep the instrument connected, keeping on our hand and all. But in the computer, they will be able to see the number, how much pressure it is. Okay, so combining together analog and digital gives rise to hybrid computers, children. Okay, so the picture is also being shown over here. These are automatic operations of machines. What they do know, as I told you, the pulse we are checking over here, these are all analog signals, okay, physical signals. This one is being converted to or changed to digital signals and count the pulse and give them in digital form. So you should be able to imagine that also, children. Okay, so where it is used means it is used in patients temperature, body temperature we can measure, children. Then blood pressure. Okay, nowadays you have the oxygen levels also checking, pulse oximeter as well as that. We can check both pulse and the oxygen levels. So these are all the hybrid computers usage, children. It is coming in small but only one usage it is doing. Okay, for example I gave you that one. So to measure the patient's temperature and blood pressure, like that, children. So these are the three types of computers based on operational principle. Okay, learn this, children. Take your textbook and read. Then the remaining based on size and capacity, you will see it in the next class, children. Thank you.